Hello and welcome to the Charleston Southern Summer Music Camp 2018. This video tutorial will help you understand the improved day camper pickup and drop-off procedures. Before entering the Charleston Southern campus, please ensure you have placed the day camper car ID tag, which you will receive at the Monday day camper registration, in the right side of the windshield of your vehicle. Day camper parents or guardians will enter campus through Buck Club Boulevard. This campus entrance will have the CSU football stadium immediately to your right side. Continue to drive forward until you come to the first available left turn. This is Academic Drive. Please turn left down this road. Continue all the way down Academic Drive until you arrive at a stop sign. At this stop sign, you will have reached Charleston Southern Boulevard. Turning right, you will be headed towards the day camper drop-off and pick-up staging area, the Rose Garden Gates. This staging area is where you will drop off and pick up your camper during the designated times. Once you drop off or pick up your camper, our staff will help guide you as you follow along to the exit side of Charleston Southern Boulevard. As you continue around and past the Rose Garden Gate, please turn left on the first left you encounter, which will take you back onto Academic Drive to exit the campus. Once back onto Academic Drive, please continue forward until you come to the stop sign. Once arriving at the stop sign, please make a right turn back onto Buck Club Boulevard toward the traffic light on University Boulevard. During every step of this process, we will have our friendly summer music camp staff to assist you and your camper. If you have any questions, please contact us at any time at the email address below. We thank you for viewing this tutorial and look forward to seeing you and your camper at Summer Music Camp.